Yo, what's up? You on spec, guys.
Yo, what's up guys? Pierre Andre is back. Alright, Assalamualaikum and salam jatuh pada korang yang menonton channel Andre Brothers. Korang memang awesome guys. Yes, we are back dengan kita punya video-video react yang menyeramkan guys. Okay, sebelum kita nak start kita punya video react, apa khabar korang? Adakah korang dalam keadaan sihat? Alhamdulillah, syukur. Bila kita dalam keadaan sihat, kita kena banyak-banyak bersyukur kepada Allah atas segala rahmat dan nikmat yang Allah telah berikan pada kita guys. Kesihatan ni pun adalah salah satu rezeki guys. Korang jangan salah faham, jangan ingat rezeki itu hanyalah datang daripada duit saja, tak. Kesihatan adalah salah satu rezeki juga yang Allah berikan kepada kita. So yes, tanpa kita melengahkan banyak masa lagi, aku rasa jom kita straight forward, kita react kita punya video seram kali ini. Adakah korang bersedia? Good. Kalau dah bersedia, jom. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nukes Top 5. Ini antara favourite aku punya channel ni.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. The unhappiest place on earth. Popular Japanese YouTube channel Fourth Wall claims that they have been sent video footage of a family visiting Tokyo
Ni Jepun ni guys. Kalau Japan ni kadang-kadang scary ya guys.
Privacy laws in Japan, the footage has been blurred to protect identities. Now, allegedly, the family's daughter is too scared to ever return to the Disney park after this incident. This is the footage.
Ni kat Disneyland guys, kat Japan eh.
Did you see it?
Apa
The
benda aku
anonymous
tak nampak.
video recorder is walking on the second floor of what appears to be the Disneyland hotel lobby. They pan to the right, and what appears to be the pale, translucent figure of a little girl can be seen right in front of them. But they don't see it. They didn't
Iyalah,
even
nampak
discover
macam
the figure
transparent.
until after their trip while they were looking through their footage. So is it a ghost caught on camera, or is it just an elaborate hoax? You decide.
Okay guys, aku rasa mesti antara korang dah pernah tengok video-video seram daripada Jepun kan. Kadang-kadang kalau diorang ni guys, memang ada yang seram tu, tapi ada juga yang aku rasa diorang fakekan video tu. Tapi untuk case yang kali ni, video kali ni, katanya benda ni berlaku di Disneyland lah, di Jepun. Aku tak tahu, aku tak pernah sampai sana lagi. And kau tengok balik footage tadi tu, pada aku nampak macam satu ilustrasi yang mengelirukan mata kita. So aku tak beranggapan itu adalah satu image yang menyeramkan. Mungkin sebab kalau kau tengok daripada belakang tu nampak satu pantulan lampu. So mungkin subjek yang lutsina, yang transparent tu nampak seperti budak yang sedang berdiri. Aku tak sure apa pendapat korang, tapi kalau kau tanya, aku rasa itu video tu biasa je. Tak ada apa yang menyeramkan. Kita go next video, okay guys?
Distillery Walker. Robin Skirvin is a security officer at the Jim Beam Distillery in Claremont, Kentucky. One night while he's at work, he notices something very odd on the building's CCTV camera.
We believe we have caught a ghost on camera.
Okay, ini CCTV guys.
Let's see, hang on, it's gonna pull up here in just a second. Okay, there it is right there. Watch. It goes all the way across the camera. Now that you know where it's at, I'll pull out a little bit and just watch this thing. It goes all the way across. And there's not a light because there is no light back there behind. You can see up on the hill back there. There's no light there. There's nobody over here, but it's still going across the camera. You can't see it as much now, but it's there.
Now, I would usually say that a light or speck caught on camera is most likely either a piece of dust, a bug crawling across the lens, or even a raindrop. But this particular figure appears to actually be walking across the empty parking lot.
Yalah, dia nampak macam
It
berjalan,
even
guys.
seems to pass behind the building's support posts. Even stranger, it appears to be radiating an eerie light. So could this be a real ghost caught on CCTV? Let me know what you think. Before we move on to the next video, if you see anything that you think should be included in the top 5, contact us at nukestop5@gmail.com. Behind the...
Okey, kalau video yang berkenaan dengan CCTV ni, pada aku dia agak susah untuk orang nak fake kan, pasal dia sesuatu yang dia rekod 24 jam kan. Dia bukan semacam kita suka-suka nak shoot, kita nak edit dia. Dia lebih kepada benda tu dah ada kat situ. So kalau kau tengok yang tadi tu guys, aku nampak benda tu macam berjalan. Walaupun kita tak nampak kaki dia, tapi kita tahu dia punya pergerakan tu macam berjalan santai je. Agak menyeramkan guys kalau berkenaan dengan CCTV ni, dan aku rasa banyak lagi kes-kes yang macam ni dah jadi, cuma kita je tak tahu. Dan waktu macam malam-malam kan, macam lewat malam pukul 2-3 pagi, aku yakin ada benda-benda macam ni di sekeliling kita, cuma kita tak dapat yalah, yang dapat rekod tu adalah CCTV. Dan sebab tu aku rasa tak pelik kalau CCTV dapat capture benda-benda macam ni. So boleh jadi makhluk halus. Apa pendapat korang bagi komen kat bawah ni. Okay guys, right.
Glass. Popular paranormal investigator Ricky Velasquez is live streaming an overnight investigation at an abandoned hospital in Mexico. Now, to protect the historical property, he chooses not to reveal the hospital's location, but only says that there are many dark stories and tales of paranormal activity surrounding the old abandoned hospital. Ricky Velasquez begins his exploration with 2 other ghost hunters, but eventually they decide to go, leaving Ricky all alone in the creepy old hospital. Before long, he begins to hear strange sounds coming from somewhere inside the building.
5 minutos de... No te pases.
Ada dengar suara guys. Ini scary.
The terrifying wail of a woman can be heard echoing through the hospital halls. Ricky is all alone and more than a little freaked out, so he is hiding in one of the hospital rooms. He wants to leave, but at the urging of his live stream audience, he decides to stick around just a bit longer.
Oh, ni
It
live
did not
streaming guys.
go well. From his hiding spot in the hospital room, he explains what he's hearing and experiencing. But then things get truly chilling.
Es extraño. Voces. Como si algo se acercara aquí adentro, como si...
Apa benda? Dia boleh rasuk ke apa ni? Dia dah cuak ni guys.
Did you see it? In the circular window on the left door, a small pale hand can be seen pressing against the window before quickly disappearing. Ricky is shocked to his
Yolah, nampak lah guys.
gets up and quickly rushes over to the door to look behind it. But nothing there. That's when he decides to just leave the hospital and end the live stream. So do you think Ricky caught one of the hospital spirits live on camera?
Oh, ini aku
Or
meremang
is
guys.
it all just an
Ni agak
elaborate
scary
hoax?
juga.
You decide. The Woodchester
Okay, sekali lagi berkenaan tentang hospital lama yang telah ditinggalkan, aku tak heran kalau hospital ni banyak benda-benda gaib atau energi-energi yang kita tak nampak, pasal kita tahu hospital ni melibatkan banyak kematian kat situ. Dan kalau dalam kes ni tadi, Mamat tu dia buat live streaming, so dia kata dia seorang lah. Yang aku agak curiga adalah dia punya suara yang menangis tadi. Boleh jadi suara orang yang menangis kat situ, tapi kalau kita bersangka baik, kalau dia cakap dia seorang, maknanya dia seorang lah tu, maknanya bukan suara daripada kawan-kawan dia ke atau apa. Persoalannya suara apakah itu? Adakah suara makhluk gaib? Sebab kedengaran dia agak clear tapi menyeramkan. So yang last tu kita nampak ada macam semacam tapak tangan dekat yang tingkap kecil tu kan. Macam aku cakap lah, dia buat live streaming, dia tak boleh edit kan, dia tak boleh buat efek ke apa, so mungkin real guys. So aku tak tahu apa pendapat korang komen kat bawah, adakah real atau fake. Aku rasa mungkin kebarang kalian betul tu besar. So kita go next video, okay?
Mansion. The Woodchester Mansion in Gloucestershire, England has a dark and mysterious history. The building was constructed over 150 years ago, but one day the construction suddenly stopped. For unknown reasons, workers at the mansion just dropped their tools, refused to continue working, and left, never to return. Rumors began to circulate about the reason for the workers' sudden departure. The creepiest of these rumors says that a murder took place inside the mansion, and that soon after the site was plagued by violent paranormal activity.
Ni ganas ni
It
guys.
is said that one day after some unknown, very disturbing paranormal event, the workers fled in terror, even leaving their tools behind. To this day, over 150 years later, the workers' 19th century tools can be found scattered around Woodchester Mansion. Since then, many visitors to Woodchester Mansion have had terrifying paranormal experiences of their own. Ghost hunter Mark Pritchard and a small group of investigators explored the mysterious Woodchester Mansion in the middle of the night. They don't know it yet, but their investigation is about to take a terrifying turn.
Wait. What are you getting?
Yeah?
It's not quiet. It's alright.
Apa sound?
Right. There. Whoa, wait. Wow.
Ada benda baling pada atas ni guys.
Oh, that came from up there. That was.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah?
That's frightening me.
You right? Got that on camera.
That really
Got it
scared
falling
me.
on
Sorry for screaming.
Yeah. Right, hold on. Let's just have a minute.
I thought it was coming up there.
Yeah, you can see where there's the stones up on the top there, look. Just resting on them.
No, it's
I don't know. That looks like that.
It's there. Can't be it.
The thing is, that's got to have come off. You see there, these stones are all along here.
Which means it must have been pushed off.
Yeah. Wow.
One of the group's investigators, Joanne, screams in terror as she is nearly hit by what appears to be a heavy piece of roof tile or a stone. Now, the group has no idea how it could have fallen since there's no wind, and as I mentioned, the piece is fairly heavy. The ghost hunters believe that the only way the chunk of material could have fallen is if it were pushed off the ceiling above them, or maybe even thrown by some unseen force. Now, I didn't spot anything, but some viewers claim to see bizarre shadows lurking in the rafters just above them. So take a close look for yourself and let me know what you see.
It's alright.
The Night Visitor.
Okay guys, bangunan-bangunan lama macam tu, dia dah macam katanya mansion tu macam istana, tapi bukan istana lah, mansion yang besar macam tu, yang dibuat tapi tak sempat nak diduduki oleh owner dia, pasalnya berlaku sesuatu yang menyeramkan sehingga orang-orang yang buat rumah tu pun takut nak siapkan, dan sampai sekarang masih tak ada orang tinggal kat situ lagi, dan benda tu masih terbengkalai lah, dan banyak cerita-cerita yang menyeramkan yang diorang katakan berlaku kat situ. Tapi kalau kita tengok footage tadi tu, tak adalah nampak benda yang seram sangat kecuali ada benda macam batu yang dibaling. Macam tu je lah. Aku tak tahu kalau ada lagi footage daripada tempat yang kita tengok tadi tu. Tapi kalau cerita pasal bangunan-bangunan lama ni guys, macam istana yang tinggal kan, macam dekat Ipoh. Kat Ipoh tu ada satu bangunan Kelly's Castle. So mengingatkan aku kepada video yang kita tengok tadi. Itulah. Tak tahu nak cakap betul ke fake ke. Korang komen kat bawah lah. Aku nak tahu pendapat korang. Kita go next video, okay?
TikTok user Amanda Angelo is watching YouTube very late at night in her bedroom that she shares with her sister Alexis. Alexis gets up to go to the bathroom, but when she returns, something is just not quite right.
Okay, ni macam seram.
Lexi?
Kau 3 pagi.
Lexi? Lexi? Hey, stop staring at me like that.
Aduh, dia dah kena
Alexis!
rasuk ke apa?
Yo, you're
ni
trying to freak me the out. Mom! Mom!
dia dah cuak panggil mak.
Mom!
Sorry guys. Kalau aku pun cuak guys.
Stop! Why are you crying?
Dia kena rasuk ni guys.
Hello? Lexi? Mom! She's just standing here staring at me. Relax. Hey. Hey, lay down.
Now, of course, the simple explanation for Alexis' unnerving behavior is likely that she was simply sleepwalking. However, many TikTok viewers believe that she might have actually been possessed by a ghost or demon, especially since Amanda claims that the event happened at 3 a.m., which is said to be the hour when supernatural beings are the most powerful. Either way, it's worth mentioning that I believe that this video is 100% real. Well, let me clarify that. I believe that Alexis is definitely sleepwalking. Not necessarily that she's possessed. But if you watch closely, Alexis doesn't blink a single time in this entire video, even though a bright flashlight is shining right into her face. In fact, Alexis keeps her eyes open for so long that they actually begin to tear up. So, what would you do if one of your family members suddenly walked into your bedroom at 3 a.m. and just started staring at you? Paranormal or not, this video is downright creepy. The Passenger.
Oh, tu seram guys. Dia ada 2 kemungkinan. Sama ada adik dia ke kakak dia tu memang prank dia atau memang dia dirasuk dalam keadaan dia tak sedar. Tapi dia orang percaya itu sleepwalking. Aku honestly dalam hidup aku tak pernah jumpa atau dalam ahli keluarga aku tak ada yang sleepwalking. Jadi aku tak tahu macam mana karakter atau keadaan orang yang sedang sleepwalking tu. Tapi kalau tengok tadi tu, dia punya aura dan energi Lexi tu agak menyeramkan. Dia seolah-olah merenung sesuatu yang menggerunkan lah. Bila mak dia datang tu, bila mak dia pegang dia je, baru nampak satu energi yang positif yang dapat balikkan dia ke dunia nyata, yang semacam dia pun macam bela macam kenapa ni. Tapi aku kesian yang siapa tu, adik dia yang dalam keadaan ketakutan. Mana taknya guys, pukul 3 pagi ni memang aku pun agree dengan apa yang diorang cakap. Pukul 3 pagi ni adalah time di mana energi benda gaib atau negatif ni sangat kuat, dan kebanyakan benda-benda macam ni pun berlaku sekitar 2, 3 dan hampir 4 pagi. So itu memang dia punya energi sangat-sangat aktif. So aku tak sure adakah video tadi tu dia memang prank adik dia atau memang video memang real dia dirasuk. So ada 2 kemungkinan kat situ. Tapi apa yang aku boleh cakapkan, video tadi tu memang menyeramkan. Kalau kena kat korang, apa korang buat? Kalau kat aku, kalau adik aku yang buat tu, memang kena smackdown dengan aku tak peduli lah. Memang kena hempuk dengan aku time tu juga. And then baru aku rukiah dia. So guys, kita go next video, okay guys?
Reddit user RBFS, that's short for Reddit Bans Free Speak, recently posted a very creepy video to the R-Ghost subreddit. He says that he had to be picked up by an ambulance after suffering an eye injury. He pulls out his phone to film himself as they load him into the ambulance. And this is where things get truly bizarre. And this time, I ask, did you hear it?
Dengar suara tadi. It's fine, I'm ready.
Right after the EMT loads him into the ambulance and shuts the door, a voice whispers, "It's fine. I'm ready." Reddit user RBFS says that he was completely alone in the ambulance. And playing devil's advocate, even if an EMT was in there with him, it would make absolutely no sense for the guy to creepily whisper this strange statement to him. What makes this video even more compelling is that RBFS has never posted a supernatural video of any kind before this. Most of his Reddit posts are about his hobby of playing airsoft, which, by the way, was the cause of this eye injury. So did RBFS catch an EVP of a previous ambulance passenger who just didn't quite make it to the hospital and maybe was making peace with the situation?
It's scary guys, suara tu guys.
What you think? Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Nukes Top 5 Official and on Twitter at Nukes Top 5. See you next week.
So itu dia guys, kita punya video kali ni daripada Nukes Top 5, dan memang aku rasa video kali ni agak menyeramkan. Kalau kita tengok dua yang last tadi tu, yang Nancy yang kena rasuk tu pun memang seram. Yang last ni pun seram juga, pasal dia benda yang menyeramkan ni, dia tak semestinya kita lihat satu objek yang menakutkan. Tak semestinya kita nampak lembaga-lembaga menakutkan baru kita seram, tapi bunyi-bunyi yang kita tak dapat nak terangkan dengan logik akal pun sebenarnya sesuatu yang menyeramkan guys. Dan dalam kes Mamat tadi tu, mata dia injured pasal dia main paintball ya kot, saya ingat aku tu lah, bukan airsoft gun ke paintball, macam tu lah. So mata dia injured tu, dia call ambulance, dia sempat record diri dia untuk masuk dalam ambulance. Tapi katanya di dalam waktu dia masukkan dia dekat belakang tu, dia bersendirian. Bila dia dah bersendirian, persoalannya suara siapa yang kita dengar tadi tu. Dia cakap, "It's fine, I'm ready." Tak tahu apa benda yang dia dah ready tu lah. Tapi tu agak menyeramkan juga pada pendapat aku. So guys, thank you pada korang yang dah tonton pada awal sampai habis sebab sudi temankan aku untuk react kali ni. Aku harap korang terhibur dengan video kali ni. Dan seperti yang aku pernah cakap sebelum ni, guys, ini hanyalah satu hiburan yang untuk kita suka-suka dan seronok-seronok je. Memang rasa takut tu ada sebab kita tak selalu berhadapan dengan benda-benda yang kita jarang nampak kan. Of course kita ada rasa takut, tapi yang sebenar-benarnya kita perlu takut hanyalah pada Allah guys. So untuk mempercayai benda gaib itu bukan satu yang tahyul. Kita harus percaya benda gaib guys. Kalau kita tak percaya benda gaib, macam mana kita nak percaya pada Tuhan? Sebab kita tak nampak kan. So yang penting keyakinan kita pada Allah kena kuat, kena strong, dan kita yakin bahawanya adanya benda gaib yang tak baik, ini benda jahat lah. So benda ni yang kita cuba avoid atau elakkan daripada menjadi sebahagian daripada diri kita. So guys, seperti biasa aku doakan supaya korang yang mana dah tonton pada awal sampai habis, aku doakan korang supaya panjang umur, murah rezeki, dan dipermudahkan segala urusan dunia dan akhirat guys. Yang mana belum subscribe, please subscribe dulu, tekan sekali butang notification dan share video ni dengan kawan-kawan korang, sehingga kita jumpa untuk kita punya next video. Korang jaga diri baik-baik guys. Stay safe, stay cool guys. Korang memang awesome. Ciao.